last week we learned about IT infrastructure. This particular week we are going to learn about software and different kinds of software. So what is software? Software plays a crucial role in managing and operating computers and related devices. It can be two types of software which we are going to discuss in this particular session: system software and application software. So let us first understand, what does software mean? In simple word, software is the set of programs or instructions which are used as application and run on computers or other electronic devices. It dictates how hardware components interact and perform tasks, essentially acting as the operational instruction that enable a device to function. Imagine your PC as bustling kitchen in a top-tier restaurant. In this culinary scene, the system software acts as the kitchen appliances like stoves, ovens, refrigerators, working quietly in the background to keep everything running smoothly. Just as a chef relies on these essential appliances to create delicious dishes, your computer relies on system software to manage its hardware and provide the environment for other software to function. So let us discuss about system software. System software is the foundation of your computer, which, like the appliances in the kitchen, it manages hardware components and ensures that everything operates efficiently. Here is a closer look at the system software details. The first one is operating system. This is the best example of system software. Operating system acts as the core software that manages communication between hardware and other software applications on your computer. The operating system is a core component of system software. It sits between the computer and the hardware and the end user, facilitating communication and functionality. Example of popular operating system include Windows 10, in Mac or Apple computer, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Chrome operating system for internet and web user, iPhone operating system for mobile. So each operating system has unique feature and is designed for specific type of devices and use cases. The next system software example is device drivers. Device drivers enable the operating system to interact with hardware devices like printers, keyboards, and graphic cards. Device drivers are specialized programs that enable communication between the operating system and hardware devices. Without drivers, the operating system would not be able to utilize connected peripherals effectively. Examples of device drivers include mouse device drivers, keyboard device driver, or for printer device drivers. The third kind of system software are translators. Translators convert high-level programming languages into machine code that the computer's hardware can understand, the language of 0 and 1. This ensures that software written in different programming languages can be executed with the help of machine language, which is then translated by translators. The fourth example is firmware. Firmware provides low-level control for hardware devices, allowing them to function correctly. Firmware is embedded software that control and identify hardware devices. It is crucial for basic operation of devices and is often stored in non-volatile memory. For example, in mobile phone or in computer, you get ROM embedded firmware, which is embedded as a software and becomes a part of the hardware by the manufacturer. Firmware is the embedded software on the computer hardware. Just like ROM, there are two firmware, BIOS and POST, the basic input and output service, and power on self-test, which help in booting. The fifth point is maintenance and optimizing the performance of the computer, such as disk cleanup tools. So there are certain kinds of system software like disk cleanup tool, antivirus software. These kinds of software also perform certain utility for the computers. Just as kitchen appliances are crucial for preparing food, system software is essential for running and managing your computer's hardware and software environment. System software serve as the fundamental layer of software that operates directly with computers, hardware, managing its resources and enabling the execution of different kinds of application software on your computer. Let us discuss some key feature of system software. The first feature is it is very close to computer system. System of software operate at a lower level. Interacting closely with computer hardware, it manages the hardware resources and provide a platform for application software to run on the computer. Let's discuss the second point. It is written in low-level language. Typically, the system software is written in the low-level programming language such as assembling or machine code of 0 and 1 code. These languages offer more direct control over the hardware but are more complex to develop and understand. The third feature is complexity in design. Designing system software can be challenging due to its complexity. It requires a deep understanding of hardware and efficient understanding and management of the hardware and management of resources on computers, making it more intricate compared to application software. The fourth feature is high-speed performance. System software is optimized for performance and speed. It is designed to execute tasks rapidly, ensuring efficient interaction between hardware and software. The fifth feature is less user interaction. System software usually offer limited direct interaction with the user compared to application software. That means the user can't use system software in many cases. Its primary role is to manage and support hardware functionality rather than provide a user-friendly interface. Now let's discuss about application software. Application software is akin to specific tools or the recipes like any special recipe made by chef to show his craft and culinary skills. So system software sets the stage and application software help user perform particular task. Let us explore what application software does. First, productivity software. Productivity software include tools like word processor, spreadsheet like Excel that help user create documents, manage data and complete various tasks. The second example, business software. Business software encompasses application designed to support business function such as accounting software, CRM software and project management tool. Third feature, creative software. So creative software are those kinds of software tools which are designed for graphic, editing videos, producing music, allowing user to unleash their creativity. Fourth kind of application software is educational software. Educational software provide interactive learning experience and help with educational activities. Application software is designed to help user achieve specific goal, perform specific task, much like how various kitchen devices and recipe come together to create a delightful meal. Unlike system software, which manages hardware, application software is designed to help individual accomplish specific tasks or activities. Let us look at some of the key types of application software which is popular in use. The first example is word processing apps. Word processing application allow you to handle writing tasks including composing editing, formatting documents. With these tools, you can also create and modify tables and print document as needed. So you can print an email, you can write a brochure, you can write any content or a story on word processing document. The second most commonly used application software is spreadsheet apps. Spreadsheet applications are designed to organize and analyze data. They help you manage business data, create budget, and generate report and charts. These tools are essential for tasks that involve numerical data and data visualization. The third example is database application software. Database application software enable you to store, sort, and manage business information. They organize data into field, records, and files, allowing you to enter, edit, and maintain record efficiently. This type of software is crucial for managing large amount of structured information. Fourth example is application suites. Application suites are collections of related applications bundled together. These suites often share similar interfaces, making it easier to switch between different applications while working on tasks. They provide a comprehensive set of tools for various needs. The fifth example is multimedia application software. Multimedia applications combine text, animation, audio, video, and image content. They are used for creating and editing multimedia content such as videos, audio track. These tools are perfect for content creation, video compilation, assembling, editing, and audio mixing. Sixth example is communication application software. Communication applications facilitate connection with others through text, video, or audio. They enable remote meetings, collaboration and communication with professionals or friends across distance, like Zoom meeting. The seventh example is internet browsers. Internet browsers allow you to access and view websites. They are essential for navigating the web, finding information, and completing online tasks through various internet service providers. The eighth commonly used application software is email application. Email applications are used to send and receive and manage emails. They are valuable for communication in both personal and professional context. It helps you stay connected with others. So, the application software, also known as productivity or end user programs, it enables the user to perform a specific task, just like we discussed now. These programs range from simple tool to complex system and can include various kinds of software, just like business software, which rely on various software applications used by business to improve their efficiency and productivity. Let us also understand some of the popular business software now. The first one, very commonly used business software, is customer relationship management. A CRM system facilitates managing customer contact, streamlining sales procedures, and enhancing customer support. The main feature of the CRM is contact management, sales forecasting, lead tracking, email automation, and analytics. Popular example of CRM are Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics 365. Enterprises Resource Planning, ERP. ERP software integrate different business application into a single software and making it a single user platform where all kinds of different functions are built in the form of modules. The feature of ERP is financial management, inventory tracking, procurement, order management, analytics, marketing. Some popular example of ERP software are SAP ERP, Oracle ERP Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics GP. The third example is project management software. Project management software helps in organizing and executing and overseeing projects to ensure that they are completed on time and within budget. The main feature of these tools are task assignment, Gantt chart, time tracking, collaboration tools, and milestone tracking. Popular example of the software is Trello, Asana, Microsoft Project. The fourth commonly used business software is HRM, Human Resource Management Software. Human Resource Management Software manages employee processes from hiring to retirement, streamlining human resource functions. The main features are applicant tracking, payroll processing, time and attendance tracking, employee self-service portal. Popular example of HRM software are Workday, Bamboo HR, ADP. Fifth example is accounting software. This software helps organizations efficiently handle their finances, including transaction processing, financial statement creation, and accurate record keeping. The main features are invoice generation, expense tracking, financial reporting, tax preparation. Popular example of this are QuickBook, Xero, and FreshBook. Sixth category is manufacturing software. Manufacturing software assists in managing production processes, ensuring efficiency and maintaining quality control. So the main feature of these software is production scheduling, inventory management, quality assurance, equipment maintenance. Popular example of manufacturing software are M1 ERP, Katana Smart Manufacturing Software, NetSuite Manufacturing Software. The seventh category is Supply Chain Management, SCM software. Supply chain management software simplifies the monitoring of goods, data and finances from supplier to customer. Main feature are inventory management, order processing, procurement, logistic, supplier collaboration. Popular example are SAP Integrated Business Planning, IBP, Oracle SCM Cloud, JDA Supply Chain. Eighth category is collaboration software. Collaboration software enhances coordination, communication and teamwork among business team, allowing members to work together on project and interact in real time, regardless of location. So the main feature of this software is task management, file sharing, video calls, real-time communication and connectivity. Popular examples are Slack, Microsoft Teams, Trello. Ninth category is antivirus software. Antivirus software protects computer and network from malware by detecting, blocking, removing threats like viruses, Trojan horses and worms. Main features are quarantine, firewall integration, system scanning, automatic update, real-time security. Popular example are Norton Antivirus, McAfee, Capsky. Now, we have discussed all different kinds and categories of business software. The system software, as we understood, provide the necessary environment for the computer operation, whereas the application software delivers the tool and functionality for users to perform their task efficiently. Application software is designed to help user perform specific tasks and function on the computers. Now, let us also explore some of the key features of application software. Specialized task. Application software is tailored to perform specific tasks such as word processor, spreadsheet, email management and more. These programs are designed to address particular need and function, making them highly specialized tools. Larger size is the next feature. Due to their complexity and range of feature, application software often require significant storage space. As a result, these programs can be larger in size compared to system software. The third feature is user interactivity. Application software is designed with user interaction in mind. It provides a more engaging and intuitive interface, making it easier for user to perform tasks and access features. This user-centric design enhances usability and convenience. Fourth feature is easy design and understanding. Compared to system software application, these are not so complex. This software is generally easier to design and understand. High-level programming languages are commonly used, which simplifies the development process and makes the software more accessible to the developers. Fifth feature is it is written in high-level language. Application software is typically written in high-level language, unlike system software written in low-level language. The languages which are used are like Python, Java, or C++. These languages are more abstracted from hardware, making them easier to write and understand while enabling more complex functionalities. Now that we have covered the basic classification of software, let's delve into other examples based on their distribution status and source code transparency. We will now explore different types of software through the lens of how they are sold and the accessibility of their source code. Depending on the accessibility on their source code and sold, there are different kinds of software. First, freeware. Freeware refers to software that is available at no cost. You can download and use it without having to pay. However, freeware does not allow for modification or redistribution. Some popular examples of freeware software include Skype, Adobe Reader, and Instagram. The second one is shareware. Shareware is the type of software that you can use for free during a limited trial period. After a trial expires, you are required to pay for continued use or face restricted access. Shareware is a great way to test the software before committing to a purchase. Notable example includes Adobe Creative Suites, Creato CRM software application. The third category is open source software. Open source software is categorized by its open source code, allowing program to view, modify, and enhance the source code written by the programmers. This means you can customize the software to fit your need, like Apache, HTTP server, and LibreOffice are prime example of open source software. Fourth category is proprietary software. Proprietary software, also known as closed source software, it has the source code that is considered as an intellectual property of the developers. Only the original creators who have the right to modify and distribute it. Examples of proprietary software includes iTunes or Google Earth.